Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, your girl is barefaced and breaking out. And when my skin is being problematic, I like to go the natural route and use really clean ingredients on my face. Typically, I use aloe vera gel, but today I'm going to try out Seamoss gel for the first time topically on my skin. Normally, I will just consume it. The benefits are just so amazing. If you did not know, Seamoss contains 92 of the 102 minerals the body is made of. It's highly beneficial when you consume it. It boosts the immune system, it aids weight loss, it alkalizes the body, and so much more. And I just figured it could do no wrong on my skin. The research online supports that Seamoss gel benefits the skin by decreasing inflammation, hydrates the skin and gives it a natural glow, heals damaged/irritated skin, prevents breakouts, and helps to balance oil production and just overall maintain a healthy complexion. So of course I had to test this out for about a week and bring you guys along with me. As you can see, I tried this on clean skin and I let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes, but you will know when it's time to take this mask off because you won't be able to move your face like this. So yes, this is how the mask looks, and you will see my thought process throughout this journey. Alright you guys, so I just washed the mask off of my face, and this is with no moisturizer or anything. I personally see a glow already. My skin feels so baby smooth, and like I said, there's nothing on my face as of now. I will follow up with a moisturizer, but it feels really soft and just clean and smooth, like super smooth. I like that. I really like how it feels. I think my skin looks brighter. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping. It is kind of late. But yeah, this is just day one. I'm really excited to see what the following days bring. I hope it gets rid of these pimples. I might go ahead and extract one of these pimples though, because I do not want it to like leave a mark in my skin. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. As of now, I can't really compare it to aloe vera. I think it's just too soon. But I'm looking forward to day 5 to really give you guys like my overall thoughts on how this feels and how it works compared to aloe vera gel. So yeah, that's it for day 1, and I will see you guys tomorrow. And just to clarify, I am using Irish Seamoss gel, and I didn't do anything different. This is the Seamoss that I use every single day in my teas and smoothies. I didn't treat it any differently just because I was applying it to my face. There are absolutely no additives, just 100% Seamoss. If you guys want to see the preparation process and how I make my Seamoss gel, give this video a huge thumbs up. So I just washed the mask off of my face and I'm really happy. First of all, let me show you the update. So last night I had 2 crazy pimples on my face. I did go ahead and extract them. In the past, I just noticed when I leave them alone sometimes, it leaves a really dark mark regardless. So I went ahead and I extracted it, and I'm so impressed because I don't see any like visible dark spots from that as of yet. Overall, my skin, like I woke up this morning and I felt like it had this beautiful glow to it. It feels so incredibly soft. Like the texture of my skin when rinsing off the Seamoss feels so smooth and soft. So I am really excited. It's giving me a different vibe than the aloe, but so far I am really impressed. Anywho's, I will see you guys tomorrow on day 3. Alright you guys, so it's day 3 and these are my results so far. My current thoughts about this mask is it doesn't give me the hydration I'm looking for per se, especially during the winter time. My face gets really dry. It's probably going to start getting dry as I talk to you guys right now. So as soon as I finish showing you guys these updates, I have to like quickly put on some moisturizer, but I think it's just like a me thing. Like my skin is technically like super dry right now since it is winter time, but it's not unbearable, and I don't think it has anything to do with the mask. Just in comparison to aloe vera, my skin is usually like super hydrated, so it's not giving me that level of hydration that I would have loved it to. However, as far as texture goes, my skin feels and I think looks so smooth, and it feels like baby soft, like so soft, you guys. I love how it feels. Since using this mask, I have not seen any new breakouts. Love that for me. And overall, I think my skin looks really bright and glowy. So far, so good. Looking forward to tomorrow. So I'll see you guys on day 4. Alright you guys, so I just rinsed the mask off of my face and these are the results so far for day 4. I'm very pleased with this mask. I don't have anything negative to say as of now. I think the texture of my skin looks very smooth. It also feels very soft and plump and clean. Like when you take it off, it doesn't feel clean in a sense of like tight and you feel like everything is, you know what I mean? It just feels really nice and refreshing. You gotta try it out to know what I'm saying, but it feels very clean and I think my skin looks a little brighter. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'll give you guys a quick little close-up, and tomorrow is day 5, the final day. So yes, I will tune in tomorrow and let you guys know the final thought. Alright you guys, we are back. As you can tell, I'm all dolled up. I do have a little bit of makeup on, and this is not day 5. Now let me just tell you, after my mini breakdown of losing the footage for day 5, I was like, I'm not gonna let this footage go to waste. I will let you guys know the tea. Everything, my process, my thoughts, all that jazz. So yes, I did lose the footage for day 5, but I will say that my results did not change drastically. Pretty much looked like day 4, but my skin felt a lot more hydrated. So it has been about a week or 2 since I filmed it, so I wasn't gonna show you guys results since then. It just wouldn't match up exactly. But yes, when I used it consistently day after day, my results were just getting better and better. And yes, I was comparing it a lot to aloe vera. If you are not new to my channel, you know that I have a lot of content about the aloe vera leaf. I pretty much vouch for that plant every single time. It can do me no wrong. Whenever my skin is feeling dull and dry, breaking out, just a mess, and I am distressed, I go to the aloe vera plant and it never fails me. So the whole time I'm like, is this like as good? Is it better? And I think they're completely different. I will not tell you not to try aloe vera, but they're completely different in my opinion. Aloe vera adds an incredible amount of moisture and hydration to the skin, and it leaves it very plump, and I feel like you see results pretty much instantly. In regards to Seamoss, I will say it feels like a spa treatment. It's a lot less messier than aloe vera. It doesn't drip. You can tell when it's time to take it off because it dries very nicely, which I love about that. It just applies so smoothly. I really love the application process for this mask. So for me, it didn't give me that like crazy hydration I was looking for, but it is definitely moisturizing. It does make your skin feel plump. It works a lot with breakouts. Like incredible, so good. So if you're breaking out, highly recommend. I saw results within like a few days, as you guys can see. So if you ask, will I be using this mask again? Absolutely. Do I recommend this mask? Absolutely. I think it's a great mask, especially if you're dealing with acne, if you want to see brighter skin, and if you do want a moisturizing mask. Like I said, it does have moisture, but I think it takes time gradually, and it's not as hydrating in my opinion in comparison to aloe vera. So yeah, I will be trying it out again. If you want to guess what ingredients I will be adding to it, let me know in the comment section below. Those are my final thoughts. This was a lengthy video, but if you watched it, let me tell you, your skin will be popping, okay? So it was worth it. It was worth it. Alright, y'all. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed, and I will see you guys very shortly in my next video. Make sure you are subscribed. I don't know what accent this is, but make sure you're subscribed. Hit that notification bell down below so you're notified that you don't miss a video from me, and I'll see you very soon.